Looking for a hosting or coupon code that will save you money on your hosting or hosting purchase? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm providing you with a hosting or coupon code that will save you even more money than the hosting or discount you see being listed here, regardless of the hosting or plan you choose. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you know how to take advantage of our hosting or coupon code offer, saving you money. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the hosting or discount. The first thing you want to do is start by clicking the link in the description below to get your hosting or discount. Make sure you copy the hosting or promo code I've included next to the link, where we'll be entering later in the video, saving you more money on your hosting or purchase. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome hosting or discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be here on the Hostinger web hosting page. Scroll down to the next section where it lists the hosting or hosting plans. You'll see the single, premium, business, and cloud startup plans. Something to keep in mind is the hosting or promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the hosting or coupon code at checkout. Choose the hosting or plan you'd like by clicking Add to Cart. I'll select the single plan for this tutorial. On the next page, you'll see the different hosting or terms you can choose from. Keep in mind, you'll save even more than showing here with the hosting or coupon code entered at checkout. Select the term you'd like. Click the Continue button. Next, you want to create your hosting or account. Enter your information in. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Payment page. Where you see the total section, click on the Have a Coupon Code link. Enter the hosting or coupon code I provided with the link in the description below. Click Apply. You'll see the new hosting or discount amount showing. If you click Choose Period at the top, it'll take you back to the hosting or terms, and you can see the new discounted rate showing, saving you money on your hosting or web hosting purchase. You've successfully taken advantage of the hosting or coupon code discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hosting or hosting tutorial videos.